Using the API, Whoosh developers connected the Neiry brain interface to a computer, and the computer was connected to the Segway 9-bot scooter, becoming one of the amazing inventions that changed the world. Neiry's algorithms analyze a person's level of concentration, and the developers linked it to the speed of the electric scooter. A person's level of concentration is determined by variations in the ratio of alpha and beta waves in the brain. The speed of the scooter increases when the person increases their level of concentration, for example, when they're focused. This occurs when the rider's path is clear and the road is level. In situations where the level of concentration decreases, the speed of the scooter decreases. In this way, the developers were able to change the speed of the scooter by the power of thought. The Whoosh developers have successfully assembled and tested a working prototype. This endeavor is experimental in nature. The Ascento Guard is characterized by its precision movements, thanks to the incorporation of artificial intelligence. It is one of those incredible inventions that will leave you speechless. It has the ability to work continuously for 4 hours and to recover quickly from falls. In addition, it can operate in different weather conditions, making it a versatile solution for outdoor use. The Ascento Guard's wheel design allows it to travel over varied terrain, including the ability to climb stairs. This feature, together with its autonomous operation, makes it an effective and versatile security solution. The shortage of skilled personnel in the security industry is a challenge that Ascento is addressing with its autonomous patrol robots. These robots, known as Ascento Guards, are deployed in large industrial facilities where they perform repetitive tasks and send alerts to human guards when necessary. The company claims to have traveled 3,000 kilometers in security operations since the beginning of the year. Contact is one of those revolutionary inventions you need to know about. It's a handheld device designed to detect sports-related concussions, whether on the rugby field or elsewhere. Early detection of concussions is critical because failure to detect them early can lead to serious brain diseases such as CTE, Alzheimer's, and dementia. Their goal is to prevent that. The device allows athletes to identify concussions, understand the severity of their injury, and have the time they need to rest and fully recover. This makes it easier for them to return to play and prolongs their sports careers. Operation of the device is simple. Once the individual's identity is confirmed, the device is placed in front of their eyes, and the action button is pressed. In just 20 seconds, the process begins. White LEDs stimulate a pupil response, while infrared cameras record the eye response. At the end of the test, the device provides a result: pass if the pupil response is normal, or fail if it is abnormal compared to the player's reference. The maiden flight of the H2 Fly HY4, the world's first 4-seater aircraft powered by liquid hydrogen, marks a major breakthrough in sustainable aviation. This feat is the result of a close collaboration between the Slovenian aircraft manufacturer Pipistrel, a German company H2 Fly, and the French industrial gas supplier Air Liquide. This achievement is significant because it symbolizes a significant step towards zero-emission aviation. The aircraft, based on liquid hydrogen technology, represents an innovative approach to sustainability in the aerospace industry. The fact that it's a 4-seat aircraft makes it even more remarkable, as it opens the door to cleaner and more sustainable aviation in terms of passenger capacity. The development and successful flight of this aircraft demonstrate the viability of liquid hydrogen technology as a power source for aviation. This could have a significant impact on reducing emissions and enabling a new generation of environmentally friendly aircraft. The international collaboration on this project is a testament to what can be achieved when diverse stakeholders come together in pursuit of a common goal: a cleaner, more sustainable future for aviation. From innovation in sustainable aviation, represented by the H2 Fly HY4, we leap into innovation in cleaning our bodies with the following must-see invention. Collec'Thor is designed to attract and collect all debris, both solid and liquid, floating on the surface of the water. For this reason, it should be included in the list of amazing inventions that have changed the world. This silent and efficient device is installed at the water's edge or on floating docks in areas where marine debris paths have been identified. It operates continuously and unobtrusively, attracting debris over a wide area. It has the capacity to collect up to 100 kilograms of debris. It also features a highly ergonomic design, no debris bags, easy emptying and cleaning at waist level, and a handle system that facilitates maintenance. When we talk about incredible inventions that amaze us, you'd better be prepared to marvel at an impressive display of power and precision as the AC Air TrackTech T2V2 aircraft takes on the challenge of towing the iconic Cessna 550 CJ2. This inspiring feat showcases the cutting-edge technology and exceptional engineering that characterize AC Air TrackTech aircraft. With unmatched power and impeccable control, the T2V2 takes on the task of towing the Cessna 550 CJ2, challenging the limits of what's possible in the world of aviation. Watch in awe as the aircraft and the towed aircraft coordinate seamlessly, a true example of the skill and experience of AC Air TrackTech pilots. Leaving the heights behind and landing softly in the world of fashion and wellness, let's take a look at the next invention that could become your favorite. You'll be able to see the world in 3D. Yes, this is one of the amazing inventions that have changed the world. There's now a 27-inch monitor that can show you the world in 3D without the need for glasses. The Lenovo ThinkVision 27 3D monitor, which supports 2D and 3D, uses a switchable lenticular lens to create a natural, immersive 3D experience, so there's no need for glasses or headgear. In the world of business and communication, the ThinkVision 27 3D allows you to participate in remote meetings with a sense of in-person interaction. Presentations and video conferencing take on an added dimension, enhancing online understanding and collaboration. 3D technology provides a more immersive experience that is especially useful for technical and creative discussions, allowing you to visualize models and designs in a more realistic way. In education, this monitor is a valuable tool for training and learning sessions. Students can immerse themselves in 3D educational content, making the learning process more interactive and comprehensible. It's an ideal solution for disciplines where 3D visualization is essential, such as anatomy, architecture, and science. In addition, for those moments of relaxation and entertainment, the ThinkVision 27 3D offers an amazing experience. Mobile solar containers, one of the most amazing inventions ever. Solar containers open up new perspectives to take advantage of photovoltaic panels. Solar energy is available everywhere, and this solution has the ability to be used anywhere. Best of all, you don't need a team of expert technicians to get the mobile power plant up and running. A single trained person can do it in less than 30 minutes. The hydraulics are a key component of this design and were developed by experts in mobile construction. As a result, they've created an advanced and reliable hydraulic system that can run entirely on internal power and even recharge during transport. To get the most out of your solar panels, these containers include an optional solar tracking system. This system uses a series of sensors to keep the panels constantly aligned with the sun. The entire system works for long periods of time without the need for constant monitoring. You've probably already become a fan of this invention, but there's more. Keep an eye on the screen because the next one will blow your mind. The AS1 represents a significant technological breakthrough by leveraging the RS6 scanning expertise of amazing inventions that amaze. Its value lies in the integration of RS6 scanning technology into trackers. This innovation revolutionizes the ability to scan high-volume parts as efficiently as it has been applied to parts that fit in the space of an arm. This development opens up a much wider range of possibilities. Data can now be captured in significant volumes without compromising the accuracy and completeness previously reserved for smaller, more manageable parts. In short, the AS1 opens the door to a wider range of applications and challenges, ensuring the quality and reliability of the data collected on every scan, no matter the size of the part. But we couldn't end this video without mentioning the invention that is revolutionizing the internet. Amazing inventions that will blow your mind. The Colorpic Infinite Smart Pen is one of those products that would have sounded like science fiction just a few decades ago. Imagine the limitless possibilities for artists, writers, designers, and creatives when they have 16 million colors at their fingertips. Yes, you heard that right. One pen, 16 million colors. Put your inspiration on paper, whether physical or digital, without limitations. RGB color sensor technology allows users to simply point the pen at the colors that interest them, press the capture button, and have precise control over that hue, shade, and tone. Use it right away, or save it to your color palette for later use. It's that simple, that powerful, and that exciting. With cross-platform compatibility, you can send any color you see in your environment to your Photoshop or CorelDRAW session, bringing captured colors into the digital world. The lines between digital and physical have truly blurred. Which of these inventions is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below.